Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on an iPad. First, download the game from the App Store. Make sure your iPad has at least 3 GB of free storage space available. A stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, is crucial for smooth gameplay. Finally, take a moment to adjust your iPad's display settings to ensure the best visual experience before diving into the action. These initial steps will set you up for success. Once the game is installed, mastering your controls is key to victory. Take time to customize your head-up display, or HUD, arranging buttons for maximum comfort and efficiency. Experiment with different control schemes, like the popular 2-finger or 4-finger claw setups, to find what suits your playstyle best. Don't forget to fine-tune your sensitivity settings for precise aiming, and consider enabling gyroscope controls for an extra layer of aiming precision. This personalization makes a huge difference. To get the best performance, optimizing your iPad settings is essential. Choose graphics quality settings that match your specific iPad model's capabilities. Generally, prioritizing a higher frame rate over visual fidelity will result in much smoother and more responsive gameplay. Always close any background applications running on your device to free up valuable system resources. Also, keep your iPad charged above 50% to prevent performance throttling during intense matches. These adjustments ensure a seamless experience. Now for some advanced tips to elevate your Call of Duty mobile experience. Regular practice in the training mode is invaluable for honing your aiming and movement skills. Effective communication with your team, using the in-game voice chat, can turn the tide of any match. Always utilize cover wisely to protect yourself from enemy fire and safely reload your weapon. Finally, learning the intricate map layouts will help you anticipate enemy movements and plan your strategies more effectively. Good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.